Okay, this is our snow. It's like snowing again. And you can't even barely see the top of the fence anymore. That's our trees from outside our house. That is the top ice. Yeah. There's like ice, then snow, then ice. And now we're getting more snow. Yep. Here's our house. Here's Bubba. That's out back. What? What? If you can read that, we now have almost basically 10 inches of snow. Yeah.
Since Wednesday.
Since Wednesday. It's a lot of snow. There's the doggy. And there's the Dory. And
watch.
That's our snow.
Watch.
Watching. That's really funny. Look at the hole Dory made. That's a lot. That's a lot of snow. Poor little Dory. Go step in it. See? Yeah. Oh, someone peed right there or something. That's gross. It's on your shoe. You stepped on poo. That's so gross. I don't know. Quentin's trying to find the balls.
There's like a hole right here.
Oh, really?
Look.
Oh, that's kind of weird. There's our tree. And our no longer bushes. They've like caved in and made holes and wow, you can't even see the brick anymore. That's crazy. Look, there's Bubba peeing. Bubba! Dory!
Look at the trees. Did you get the trees?
I got the cheese. That's our shed.
This is stuff from falling in the snow.
No. Don't. There's our beautiful trash pile.
Because the trash won't run.
Yeah. Beautiful tree outside. Still snowing. Huge snowflakes. Giant icicles. Nice. Quinn's making it snow a little bit more. That's our pipe that burst this morning. Yeah, it was fun. All the water. And it melted the snow when we got up. Normally that looked like that, but now because of the water, it looks like that. And that's an idea of how much snow we've gotten. That's a lot of snow. Yep. Quinn's trying to get outside. There's the puppies. Puppies! What are you doing? Nice. It's a little cold out here, sorry I'm shaking. Don't. See how long it is. Yeah, that's like huge. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, we're done now. Okay, yes, that's our snow this year for 2008. Okay, bye.